Hi everyone, I'm Captain Joseph. Welcome to Wake Up and Shine. I'm associated with Sharan. Sharan stands for Sanctuary for Health and Reconnection to Animals and Nature. The Dr. Nandita, when they started this organization, she basically wanted to India to be a diabetic free. And why diabetic free? First of all, it is a lifestyle disease and it is easy to reverse. But if you don't reverse it, it is a stepping stone for many other ailments, starting with your impotency, then weight gain, then heart diseases, kidney failure, you went to dialysis, baldness, so many things. You don't know what all you can get if you don't control diabetes. And it is such a simple thing, that's why nobody wants to do it. But when it is saying simple, it involves a lifestyle change. That is the problem. Okay. So, like we have our programs, 21 days programs, 7 days, 14 days, and we have online programs, 6 weeks programs, so many things. If anyone who attends it, their diabetes is gone just like that. So simple as that. And you can do it at your own home, your own comfort. First thing, you have to identify what causes the diabetes. As simple as that one word, fat. The moment you remove the fat, from where? From your cell walls. Okay. In fact, fat is the reason for all the diseases. The fat, if it settles on your cell walls, the diabetes. If settles on any other nodes or any other organ, it can be cancer. Then if it is on liver, then you have a liverosis. Then your arteries, then your heart diseases, then you can have a stroke. It creates havoc. Okay, so fat is the reason, not the sugar. Of course, sugar later part it adds on to it, but just by removing sugar, you cannot reverse diabetes. It is simple. If some kid puts a bubble gum in your keyhole, when you come to open your door, you cannot open because the bubble gum is sitting on this. Same thing. When the sugar, whatever you eat is converted into sugar, and the cell supposed to absorb, insulin supposed to open that cell wall to get the sugar absorbed, it not able to do it because of the fat. So you have to remove the fat. How will you remove the fat? How will you remove your bubble gum? You require some brush, some fiber. So in our thing, what is the fiber? You cannot put a brush in your body. So the fiber is fruits and vegetables with the skin. Okay. So the moment you increase your fiber intake, your blood become thin, your pH level will be maintained, and the blood will circulate like fast, and it removes the fat. That is how within 3 to 4 days your sugar level comes down. Now, okay, I'm ready to have fruits and vegetables, okay. But when you jadoing, when you are brooming, if say somebody is putting dust or some waste behind, no, you are moving and going, and somebody is putting and behind, and will that work? Never. So the same time when you are doing the taking fiber and everything, stop putting any more kachra, any more rubbish, any more waste. How? This is a challenge, 15 days challenge or 30 days challenge, whatever you take it. Just try it out. In your 30 years or 40 years of lifespan, you must have done a lot of things. I am just requesting you to use 15 to 30 days to try this out. What maximum happens? Nothing happens. Okay, but here there is no money involved, nothing. You just eat right food. If it works, I mean, it will work. There is no doubt, iota of doubt whether it will work or not. So what I am saying is maximum what can happen. You are not losing anything. Just try it out. So increase your fiber intake. Stop your junk product like this, any processed food, especially sugar, all the animal products, including milk, ghee. They are the main culprits, in fact. Just stopping by milk and ghee itself can give you the result. Okay, just try it out. Like say some Navratri Vrad or something like that. Take it as or as if you're a Christian, just a 40 days Lent or something like that. Or just try it out for 30 days. Increase fiber level, use the brush, decrease the rubbish, that is your processed food, oil, sugar and animal products, and check your B12 and D3. If it is low, supplement it. I can give it in writing. It will reverse. Of course, I forgot to say organic. Okay, why organic? Because the chemicals or the pesticide which is using, it's a hormone disturbance. Okay, that also makes a big play. But if you're not available, nothing, it's fine. But if you want to expedite your reversal, you have to go organic. But since if it is not organic, you don't peel the skin. Okay, like say if you cucumber, don't peel it, because the nutrients and the fiber, you're throwing it away, whether it is organic or non-organic. Non-organic, you will get pesticide also. But here, if you're in non-organic and you're removing the peel and removing the nutrients and fiber, and you are having only pesticide. So instead of only having pesticide, you can have along with the pesticide, fiber and nutrients. If you're going organic, nothing like it. If you want to go organic, if you think it is costly, like my farmer says, eat one sabji, one pulses, one dal, but eat the organic. You don't require a lavish spread. In fact, overeating is another problem. Okay. So with the fiber, you eat less. So you save money. You save money by avoiding oil. You save money by avoiding sugar. You save money by avoiding processed. And you save money by getting out of your dialysis. You save money from your diabetes medicines. Like if you are impotent, you get your fertility, you get your energy back. Trust me, the energy you're going to get back is amazing. You have to try to believe it. Listening is very easy. Yeah, that's it. No. So if you're listening this, write down next step. Yes, tomorrow I am going to start my fruits and vegetables purchase. I am going to throw away oil, sugar and animal product next 15 days. Write it down. Tell your friends or tell your husband or tell your spouse, tell your children. Ask them to help you to try this out. When you request them, they are happy to help you out. Human nature is to help, provided you ask them. Don't keep your ego and don't ask your thing you can do it alone. No, ask for help, and I can guarantee you everyone will go out of way to help you out. So you can be diabetic free and you can help others also. And one best thing about diabetes, if you try to remove diabetes, it's like a buy one get one free. So by removing diabetes, you can remove your pressure also, blood pressure also, because everybody, if you see anybody who diabetic, they will have a pressure medicine also. So by doing this, you can reverse both diabetes and pressure, in fact many other diseases. Okay, so final thing, increase your fruits and vegetables, remove all the animal product, processed food, go organic, and check your B12 and D3. Next 1 month you will be diabetic free. So see you after 1 month diabetic free. Let us know, and if you like this channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends, you and families. So many are there who are suffering with they don't know this knowledge. Like I didn't know, I was hardcore non-vegetarian. You name the animal I used to have. And one fine day I stumbled upon a documentary called Earthlings, and I changed my life. I become vegan and I lost 15 kgs. I removed a lot of my chronic like acidity, skin diseases, piles program, everything's gone like this. So you can help yourself and you can others also. Please subscribe and share with others. Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए वेकअप एंड शाइन चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए। यहाँ आपको मिलेंगी ढेर सारी मोटिवेशनल कहानियाँ, इंस्पायरिंग इंटरव्यूज और बहुत सारा पॉजिटिव कंटेंट। स्टे पॉजिटिव, कीप शाइनिंग।